All right, friends, I had to take a little bit of a break. Y'all know I take breaks at the beginning of the year, and last year zapped whatever energy I had left, and I had to take a break. But anyway, let's start off with another unboxing, well, an unbagging, if you will, of a new crochet hook that my friend Laurie Whitaker sent me. Listen, I have done so many unboxings of hooks that she sent me. Look down in the pinned comments and the description box. I'm going to have a link for you to where you can purchase her crochet hooks, okay? She sells them out of her Facebook group. Go there to purchase the hooks. She has all different kinds, so it's not just spooky or not just floral, not just, one thing. She has tons of different kinds. And also I'll have links to the other unboxings that I've done of her most awesome hooks so that you can see what else she has. Okay, and I do have a boo-boo and I'm out of Band-Aids, so y'all gonna have to deal with it. So we're gonna open this up. And this sticker says, just one more row. How many times have we said that to ourselves? Just one more row. And then we have a nice little thank you card for supporting the small business. And then this is her business card. So I'm going to hold the business card up here. Let's get my injured hand out of the way. And you can screenshot this if you want to, so that you can contact her later. And this says, thanking me for my continued support. Collect 9 stitch food markers and get a free hook. It's on the 10th one. So how awesome is that? And then I love the little thank you cards that she always says. But look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at it. How cute is this? How cute is this? Just a little ghost face figure and looks like it's knitted. How cute is that? So adorable. So adorable, because y'all know I'm all about Ghostface. I love Ghostface so much. And you know what? I'm going to show y'all something here in a second. Hold on. But I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to show y'all my other collection. But this is the hook that she made me. I don't need a Valentine. The little hearts say, stay away. Not today. Hard pass. I've got glue and all kinds of stuff under my nails. Y'all have to overlook that. But the size, and I generally use a 4.5 millimeter hook, and it is stamped on the back. Okay, so it's not just painted on there where it can chip off or anything. It's actually stamped on there. And of course, there's Ghostface again saying, no, you hang up. And then there he is with his knife. How cool is this? I love it. I love it. I love it. So we have that. And let's see what other goodie, because she always sends like the most awesome stitch markers. Okay, stitch markers, and sometimes candy, various different things. And it's like a gift instead of like just a crochet hook. It's like a gift that you're actually opening up. So this stitch marker, look at this, is a heart inside of a little plastic bag. And then we have an envelope with hearts on it. Oh, I've got one of these and I love it. Not in the mood. Approach with caution. I love that. Okay, this heart says, caution, I have no filter. If y'all know me, y'all know I do not have a filter. I just say whatever I want to say on social media. But how cute is this? How cute is this? I have no filter. And then this is like a candy heart that says, hug me. And this is a heart sucker, lollipop, whatever you want to call it. This is really super cool. I like that. And this is the food themed one that was mentioned. It's a potato. This is so cool. So I'm going to keep my eye out for the food themed stitch markers. So how awesome is that? And I will be doing some more crochet videos here fairly soon. Okay. So then we have our hook. We have our little ghost face, and we have all of these very awesome stitch markers. Now let me show you the other hooks that I've gotten from her. I have tons of hooks from her, okay? These are just ghost face ones, all right? So I have my ghost face holder here, and then I have my hooks. We have these, my ghost face hooks, and I have 4. These here are pins. These are ghost face pins. And then I'll show you, oh God, I have like my little goodie box over here of like other hooks and things that she has made. This one was the commemorative one that she made in honor of Ozzy Osbourne. I will show you my other Ozzy hook. I'm very pleased with this one. Look at this hook. This Ozzy. And then with the dates on the back. So this one is very important to me because y'all know Ozzy was such a big part of my life. This one is Michael Myers. You just can't keep a good psycho down. Good psychopath, rather. Psychopath, psycho, whatever it says. I don't freaking know. I can read, I promise you. This is another character hook, my Michael Myers. And then there are pins, and some more pins, and pins, and pins. Just so many awesome pins. This one came with the Aussie hook. So there's that one. True Crime Junkie, because y'all know I do love my true crime shows. And this is just, you know, a bunch of the really awesome stitch markers that she sent. This is a little ghost keychain. And I just like my little box of goodies from her. I just sit here and like just go through it. This was a hair clip. But look at all of these really awesome stitch markers. This one was a Ouija board. Another keychain. We have got Jason's mask. We have a planchette. Just all sorts of things. We have a blood bag. Then there's another blood bag. Here's a pen. Crafting all day won't solve your problems, but then again, neither will housework. There's one with the Krampus. Where did my Krampus hook go? I got a Krampus hook somewhere. I got to get them all together. This little ghost shelf sitter, but just all kinds of cool things that you get from her. So like I said, it's not like just the hook. You're getting all these cool things. But yeah, if you would, check out the links in the description box and the pinned comment. Check her out, see what all she has. Follow her on Facebook. And I will see y'all later. Bye.